31325, part 2 of welding the RCA phono jack. Well, I found the break, but to actually do it, when I soldered it, the red wire got melted inside the black harder plastic. So now I had to dig out the red wire. Then now I'm going to use a strand of this white wire to connect this heavy piece of metal here with the red wire. And so they're physically connected now. Hopefully the solder will bite into there and belt into there, and then afterwards I'm just going to snip the white wire and then put some of that liquid tape on there, and hopefully it works. That's the plan. Waiting for the soldering iron to get hot.